Hi guys, I thought I'd finally put together a short video showing basically what I did when I bought the van and where we're up to currently. Unfortunately, when I actually was doing work on the van, some of it I didn't actually record at the time because I had no idea that I was going to do a YouTube channel or anything. But pretty much I'd done stuff like insulation, you know, soundproofing, sort of damp proofing, all membrane and all that. I have put together some of the photos of the van as I was doing it because I did take a few pictures. But as I say, I do wish I've done some more in-depth video of as I did it. But then there's thousands of videos online on how to do a van conversion. So hopefully you'll see a little bit from what I've done. You can get the idea, and then later in the video I'm going to show you what the van looks like at the moment.